Hello everyone, myself Pranav Vikhankar. Today we are discussing about the one of the custom chart in the Tableau, which is Pareto chart. So what is this exactly is? A Pareto chart is a type of chart that contains both bars and the line graph, where individual values are represented in descending order by bars and the ascending cumulative total is represented by the line. So what is it exactly is, in the Pareto chart we combine the bar chart and the line chart, and in the bar chart we arrange this bar chart in the descending order so that it represent the values and cumulative total. So what is the principle behind that Pareto chart? The principle of this Pareto chart is that when a number of factors affect a situation, fewer factors will be accountable for the most of the effect. This is almost the same as 80-20 theory that you may have heard of it. It says that 80% of the impact is made by 20% of the causes, which what is means that is this principle says that the fewer factors in the example affects the most of the accountable, just like the 80-20 theory that says 80% of these whole impact on the situation is caused by this 20% of the examples. So how we can implement this? So before the preparing for the analysis, or before generating the Pareto chart, we must select the about which questions we have to answer, so that we can select proper category or dimension and the number or measure, so we can easily classify the Pareto chart. So in the example which we taken, we select the subcategory as the dimension and the account and the sales for the account or measure. So there are three steps which we have to follow to generate the Pareto chart in the Tableau. So which are these first three steps? The first step is the create a bar chart that shows sales by subcategory in descending order, which in short we says that we just have to create the bar chart of the both dimension and measure. Which are our dimension and measure is subcategory and sales. Next step is that we have to add a line over the bar chart that shows sales by the subcategory. So and last and the main task is that we have to add table calculation to the line chart to show sales by subcategory as a running total and as a percent of total. So let's begin now. We are using the Tableau software. So firstly create on the file, create the new book. Just wait a while. Okay, connect to the data. I am using the inbuilt data provided by the Tableau, which is Superstore data. Click on this. So where data is generated. So I select the subcategory field and drag it to the columns columns, and I select the cells and drag it to rows. So you see that the bar chart is generated automatically, but we as we studied, as we seen earlier, we want this bar chart in the descending order. So for or sorting in the descending order, we click on this button and click on this sort. We want it as per the fields, so I click select the fields, and I want as the descending, so I click on the descending. Just that's it. I close this. So first task is complete. So our second task is that here, as per as I written, second task is add a line chart that shows sales by subcategory, which means we have to add, now we have to add the line chart. So I again drag here and drag the cells here. Okay, you now you can see that it generates two different charts, but we want one chart, or or we want combined chart. So for this we click here and click on the dual axis. So it combines the both bar and bar, combine the both chart. But after selecting this dual axis, we see that here it generates small bubbles, but we don't want that. So I goes here, I click on the automatic and I select the bar. See, bar is generated. And next we want the line chart. So again I click here and I select the line chart. Now you can see that line chart is generated. So next task is that firstly drag these cells up to here. Look here, and we want the table calculation. So next task is the create a table calculation. Click here and click on the add table calculation. So we want the running total, okay, and running total over the table, across the table. So click here the across the table. We also want percent of total, so I add the secondary calculation. I select the percent of total. This is also over across the table. Now our task is complete. Click close. So our Pareto chart is generated, but it seems that this line chart does not see properly. So we color this chart, color this line. Okay, we color this line and increase the width of the size, width of the line. So now you can see that our Pareto chart is generated. When you go moves over your pointer here, you see that percent of total running sum of cells across the table is increasing, where less amount of no less amount of examples are there. So so as we already seen here that it says that when a number of factors affect a situation, fewer factors will accountable for the most of the effect, and this thing is generated here. Less amount of factors are, and the percent of impact is more. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys.